Hello, David D. Williamson with this ridiculous looking hat on, but there's a reason for this hat, and I'll explain that in a minute. Wanted to tell you guys and girls out there why this post is going to be a little longer than usual, and that is because the knowledge and value we're going to pass on to you today will by twofold increase your marketing if you apply the techniques that we go over and my mentor goes over in the next video below. Before I get started, I want to tell you that I got a lot of questions as to who I was involved with, who was mentoring me, what system I'm applying for my marketing, and I did a quick video, which is the post below this one, explains the 7-figure network system. But now then I started getting more emails on who was my mentor. I didn't say anything in reference to getting to know my mentor or who I was talking about when being mentored. So what I've done was found the most incredible video that my mentor has put out where you could see him for himself, being himself, his true self, talking from the heart, and also he is relaying a message to you that is just priceless. And I am also going to add that my mentor is hands down the best on the internet. I know this for a fact by where I'm at today. I can see my business growing leaps and bounds every day by applying his marketing and experience that he has passed on to me. Now, if you don't believe me, just watch the video below and you'll know for yourself, my friends. But now this ridiculous looking hat I have on. There are many ways to brand yourself. This is one way, an appearance branding. Now, obviously, it's going to stick in your mind, this pink hat and the fact that it's on this head of mine, versus having it off. Now, it's just another branding tool. As I said before, Geico has the lizard. That's their brand. Everybody loves the lizard. They built the branding on the lizard. They built the lizard up. There are many other brands out there. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. But I just want to show you another way to brand yourself. So with that in mind, go ahead and watch the video below and see what a real proven market mentor is capable of. You will really be surprised, my friends. Love y'all. Toodaloo.